AI Job Apocalypse, Drone Manager. Welcome back. I'm Adeline Atlas, 11-time published author, and this is AI Job Apocalypse. What gets replaced, what gets reborn? The career survival series for those bold enough to reinvent their future. As we shift into an AI-first economy, entire industries are being absorbed, automated, and reshaped. Some jobs die quietly. Others get reborn into power positions for the prepared. Today's role is grounded in infrastructure but elevated by intelligence. Let's talk about the rise of the drone manager, one of the most critical, high-demand jobs in the synthetic workforce. What is a drone manager? A drone manager is responsible for overseeing the operation, coordination, and maintenance of drone fleets, both for commercial and government use. But don't confuse this with a hobbyist or someone flying a toy. This role is about commanding an airborne workforce of machines that can survey, deliver, monitor, defend, document, and even rescue. Drones are no longer niche gadgets. They're intelligent flying assets integrated into everything from agriculture to warfare, emergency response to real estate, filmmaking to package logistics. A drone manager doesn't just fly drones. They build systems, train AI pathways, optimize operations, and turn aerial robotics into real-time labor solutions. Whether you're managing 10 delivery drones in an urban fleet or coordinating thousands of drones for border surveillance, firefighting, or traffic monitoring, the drone manager is the ground brain behind the Sky Network. Why this job exists now? In the last decade, drones have moved from the fringes of technology into the front lines of automation. Their ability to perform dangerous, repetitive, and high-efficiency tasks without endangering human life has made them a go-to solution for industries trying to cut costs and increase precision. What's changed now is scale. Retail giants like Amazon, Walmart, and Alibaba are aggressively pushing for drone delivery systems to cut last-mile logistics, time, and cost. Agricultural enterprises are deploying drones for crop monitoring, pesticide spraying, and soil analysis, sometimes across thousands of acres. Municipalities and governments are integrating drones into urban surveillance, border patrol, traffic analysis, and environmental monitoring. Media companies are using drone cinematography as standard practice for events, sports, and high-budget films. Military operations now depend heavily on drone swarms and autonomous air systems, demanding trained managers who can control dynamic, adaptive fleets. All this has created a supply-demand gap for one thing: professionals who can lead, train, maintain, and expand drone-based infrastructure at scale. Enter the drone manager. Core responsibilities. Drone managers wear multiple hats depending on the sector, but across the board, the role includes fleet operations, overseeing dozens to thousands of drones across time zones, terrains, and use cases. This includes scheduling, assigning tasks, and ensuring mission parameters are met. AI training and optimization, programming machine learning models for autonomous flight, object detection, threat identification, delivery logic, or search and rescue patterns. Compliance and airspace regulation, navigating the growing landscape of drone laws, FAA regulations, local restrictions, and privacy codes. Data collection and integration, capturing real-time data, video, thermal, multispectral, environmental, ensuring secure storage, and integrating it with existing platforms like GIS systems, enterprise dashboards, or cloud-based AI pipelines. Risk management, identifying flight hazards, malfunction patterns, interference issues, and cyber threats. Implementing drone recovery protocols. Cross-department communication, collaborating with engineers, logistics teams, safety regulators, and clients to execute seamless aerial operations. Innovation and scaling, adopting new drone hardware, expanding into swarming capabilities, integrating advanced sensors, and pushing your organization toward air-first infrastructure. Drone managers don't just fly drones. They engineer strategy, enforce safety, and optimize every aerial asset to move like a high-functioning organism. Sample use cases by industry retail logistics. Coordinating 500-plus drones for same-day delivery within an urban 20-mile radius. Managing weather variables, package weight limits, and automated recharging stations. Agriculture. Managing drones across 15 farms to assess irrigation needs, plant health, pest outbreaks, and harvesting efficiency. Integrating multispectral imaging with crop management systems. Emergency response. Deploying AI-trained drones to map collapsed buildings, locate survivors using thermal scans, and relay real-time intel to ground crews. Construction and infrastructure. Coordinating site monitoring drones across skyscraper builds, mining pits, and highway projects, ensuring worker safety, progress tracking, and material counts. Cinematography and media. Scheduling drone teams to capture live events, races, and cinematic shots for film production, while avoiding interference zones. Border security, overseeing autonomous drone patrols that identify illegal crossings, wildfires, environmental damage, or incoming threats, without human pilots on the ground. This job has range, scale, responsibility, and it's only getting more powerful. Who this job is. For this career is ideal for those who think strategically under pressure, are comfortable with robotics, AI models, and air navigation systems. Have a logistics or operations mindset. Want to work at the intersection of automation, defense, agriculture, and commerce. Are fascinated by how machines replace labor and want to manage that shift, not be replaced by it. Drone managers are tactical thinkers with sky-based intuition. They're not just pilots, they're orchestrators of an airborne workforce. Required skill sets: UAV certification and licensing, deep knowledge of airspace laws, FAA requirements, no-fly zones, and legal drone use, AI and software proficiency, comfort with real-time monitoring software, object recognition, anomaly detection, and mapping platforms, GIS, LiDAR, etc. Logistics and systems thinking, ability to schedule, scale, and coordinate drone fleets like a military general or delivery network. CTO mechanical literacy, understanding of drone hardware, motors, battery life, payload limitations, and quick field repair techniques. Cybersecurity awareness, protecting drone fleets from hijacking, GPS spoofing, data breaches, or AI corruption. Environmental sensitivity, reading wind, light, moisture, and signal disruption to plan flights safely and effectively. Income potential. The drone manager role is quickly moving into the six-figure zone, especially as demand surges in military, agriculture, and urban logistics. Entry-level drone operations manager, $80K, $120K a year, often working for local logistics or agricultural firms. Mid-level drone systems, director, $120K, $180K a year, coordinating large regional fleets across industries. Enterprise-level drone infrastructure lead, $200K, $350K a year, especially in military, space exploration, or smart city development. Independent drone consultants or contractors, charging $2K, $10K per project for mapping, cinematography, or emergency surveys. High-end gigs can hit $20K plus for multi-day missions with proprietary data output. Government or defense drone leaders often begin at six figures with rapid scale into classified ops and technology testing fields. With drone tech set to become as common as delivery trucks or security cameras, managing that sky-based workforce will be a power position. Industry outlook. The drone economy is booming, from $30 billion today to over $90 billion projected globally within a few years, and the skill gap is widening. Amazon, UPS, FedEx, and Walmart are racing to dominate last-mile drone delivery. Agritech firms are investing in AI drones to eliminate labor costs and environmental waste. Military and defense contractors are deploying autonomous drones for swarm warfare, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Smart cities are being designed with drone lanes, recharging stations, and vertical traffic maps. AI-integrated drones will soon work with robots, autonomous cars, and IoT systems to create fully automated ecosystems. Those who understand how to manage this airborne labor force will own one of the most powerful seats in the future economy. Hi, I am Adeline Atlas, 11 times published author, and SOS, School of Soul has a brand new series, the AI and Future Technology series. Look, you know the world is changing, and no, it's not going back to normal. Normal is over, and what's coming next is beyond anything we were prepared for. The School of Soul, AI and Future Technology series includes 319 videos on 1. The Download Society, How Data Has Replaced Destiny. 2. Predictive Future. Your next moves aren't random, they're forecasted. 3. Social Credit Systems. The behavioral economy now governs access. 4. Hive Mind. Synthetic telepathy and collective algorithmic control. 5. Nanobots inside you. Medical, military, and programmable intrusions. 6. Grief Tech. AI-fueled digital resurrection and simulated comfort. 7. Uploading your mind, consciousness transfer, and data-based identity. 8. Deep fakes plus AI clones. The replication of reality and identity theft. 9. Quantum humans, the merger of biology with quantum systems. 10. Digital afterlife, where your data goes when you die. 11. Resurrection science, reviving life through synthetic methods. 12. Immortal science, the end of death as we know it. 13. Longevity science, gene editing, anti-aging, and bio-upgrades. 14. Designer babies, engineered perfection before birth. 15. Artificial wombs, birth decoupled from the female body. 16. 3D printing, printing organs, limbs, and even humans. 17. The humanoid era, the rise of synthetic beings among us. 18. Legacy humans, the slow phase-out of unmodified analog people. 19. Smart cities, algorithmic environments that watch and decide. 20. Cloud-based societies, citizenship without borders or bodies. 21. Hackable humans, emotion, memory, and behavior under code. 22. Biometric scanning, your body is your password and your prison. 23. Sex tech, intimacy reprogrammed by machines. 24. Extinction of gender, fluidity, deletion, and design of identity. Every topic is fully explored with real-world technologies, patents, case studies, ethical analysis, and future forecasts. These aren't someday discussions. This is already happening. Join the SOS School of Soul Vault to overstand the future before it's implemented on you.